Okay, so let's look at it then. So, questions. What are they exactly? They are if statements with be or other verbs. If, meaning like, if this then that. If you are, if you be, if you am, for example. Very bad grammar, but the point is, if this thing, if, the question, then it could either be A or B. But we'll get back to that. The verb and subject swap places. So we have you as a subject, are, be verb, are English. You are English. And we swap them around. We swap them around. Here we are. Are you English? So, if statement. Are you English? Yes, no, maybe, something else. Yes, no, maybe, something else. It's an if. Because your response determines the reply, what comes next. So, are you English? Yes, no, maybe, and different variations of that. So we have be, am, are, is, with the subject, and that could be anything. I, we, he, they, he, she, it. I, he, we, they, them. Let's have them, them. Are they? No, are they? Leave it at that. Are they? We, they. But also it could be things like names. Is Jessica? Is England? Is Europe? Am I? Are we? Is the party? Is the group? Is the community? It's not just individual pronouns, it could be collective. Is England? Is London? Is Paris? Is Paris clean? So be subject in the sentence often has a verb as well, which is here, the verb. So is London cleaning itself? Or are we cleaning the city? Am I English? Am I English? Yes, no, maybe. Is he talking? Yes, no, maybe. Is he talking? Yes, no, maybe. Are we here? Are we here? Are they here? Are they here? Are they here? Are they here yet? Yes, no, maybe. Yes, no, maybe. Yeah. And take it from there. Am I talking? Are you listening? Are you listening? Are you listening? Are you learning? Again, verbs. Are you English? Are you an Englishman? This is more an adjective, but still, are you English? Are you a student? Are you learning? Are you watching? Are you paying attention? Is the city safe? Is the city safe? Is the train fast? Is it fast? It. Is the train fast? Is the train slow? Is it delayed? Is it on time? Yeah. So questions are be subject with a sentence. The basic question. Be am, are, is, subject, the city, he, she, it, we, you, they, I, Adrian, Jessica, Simon, Sophie, the community, the city, the cleaners, the workers, the bosses, anything. And then a sentence. Are they here? Are they there? Are they coming? Cleaning, listening, watching, talking, walking. Are they here? Are they there? Are they nearby? Are they over here? Is he driving? Is he driving? I don't know. Is he cleaning? Is he repairing? Yeah. Very good. So again, be subject sentence. And is an if statement. Yes, no, maybe. Oh, yeah, yes, I am. I'm coming. I'll be there tomorrow. Oh, no, it's not delayed. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Is the train delayed? Yes, it is. Yes, it is by 10 minutes. Is he here? No, he's not. He's over there. Are you here? Maybe, but not quite. I'm over there. What do you mean by here? Yeah. Okay. Very good. Let's keep going.